Yung rehabilitation na pinuntahan ko wasn't for drugs, but was for PTSD, post-traumatic stress disorder.
Because of
the traumas that na
Siguro kailangan linawin yung flow kasi
Oo,
lumalabas.
inisip
Pag
naman
kasi
tao.
sinabing rehab drugs eh.
Oo.
Oo.
Hindi ganun ang rehab talaga. And it's nice kasi meron na yata tayo ditong ganun, yung for yung
PTSD.
yeah, I think somewhere in Palawan. Oo,
Where
so,
did you go?
I went to Koh Chang and I went to Chiang Mai.
Wow.
The first one was in was both in Thailand.
Mm-mm.
How are you
And
now?
I'm okay. Of course, yung PTSD, that's a trauma na nandyan talaga for life na kailangan talagang i-address. And I'm just glad that I have good doctors, I have a good therapist, and
Right now, do you have, kumbaga, yung mga maintenance for mental health?
yes, I do. I